By the time you're watching this video, you must be thinking I might be sponsored by Spigen. Well, I'm not. And in today's video, we have a Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the Pixel 6a in two different styles. We have what I call the Panda and the all clear one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what it's inside. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a case. Yes, a case from Spigen, and no, I'm not sponsored. The Ultra Hybrid case. So we do have it in two different styles. We have an all clear one and a Panda version, because I like Panda. Brrr, I got pixels in Atlanta. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the, let's not call it Panda because it is clear, but if you had a white phone, this would make your phone into a Panda version phone. So hard plastic shell on the back, clear see-through. So if you like rocking skins, this case is gonna allow for you to look and see that beautiful skin you purchased from D-Brand or wherever you purchase your skins from. But very typical clear case here. Looks good. Let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 6a. Very snug fitting. You do have soft rubbery sides on the edge of the case. On the right side, we do have Spigen branding there. On the bottom, all the cutouts are nice and precise for your mic, speaker, and charging port. Your buttons 100% covered, nice and tactile, very responsive, and that power button is rigid and textured, so you can differentiate from the volume rocker. The mic on top, nice and precise. On the back, you do have some lip protection there. You do have a flat raise, so you're not gonna get that wobble, shaky. The phone, when sitting on its back, sits flat, completely flat, not at an angle. But you do have very minimal lip protection there on the camera lens, so you're not gonna scratch your camera if you lay your phone flat face down on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up those camera lenses. And I do have a tempered glass screen protector currently installed on that camera lens as well. Talking about tempered glass screen protector, I do have a tempered glass screen protector installed in the front of the device to protect my display, and it is tempered glass screen protector friendly. There's no issue with it whatsoever. This is the Caseology. I'll leave a link to it in the description below as well. I do have just enough lip protection around this case, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not gonna scratch that beautiful case of yours. That beautiful screen of yours. But look at this, look at the style of case. If you had the white one, now this would become the Panda version. Obviously I have the black one, but nonetheless it still looks very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the clear one. If you like rocking clear cases, just give you a quick look on how your Pixel might look with the Ultra Hybrid clear case. And there you have it. Looks good. Adds a little bit of bulk, but not too much. The protection is there. Very good looking case. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.